11 o'clock update, and we've been watching this storm over the last couple of days really get better organized. A very strong storm so far, and it's expected to get even stronger and grow as we go through the next few days as the winds get a lot stronger around the storm. It's moving into some very warm, very favorable conditions into the Gulf of Mexico. This is almost like a pot. It's very warm. It's very inviting for this storm. So this is a storm that's sustained winds of 80 miles an hour. Those winds will whip up to about 125 miles an hour by tomorrow before making landfall somewhere, it looks like, on the west coast of Florida. A major hurricane with damaging winds. Now it's going to move over land during the overnight Thursday night into Friday near Georgia, near Atlanta, and then work its way back through Tennessee.
So what do we think about the future? Well, I think that we're still processing after 10 months. And I think that we're going to have years, if not a decade to go. Our region has lost a little, and some of us has lost a lot. And some people in the region have lost everything, including family members and businesses and homes. I just don't think that people realize what really happened in our area on such a large scale. It's devastating. It's going to take a lot, because it was a lot. This is kind of a little tour of our facility on where it is now these days. So yeah, we got, you can actually still see where the water line came in here. So this is how high it was. Tables out here to collect mail and stuff like that. It was, you know, I think this door is sort of original. We had all these little shelves up here to showcase all the stuff that we made. Every square inch, every office was full with people. Everything was definitely humming, to say the least. Everything was just piles of just furniture and everything just all over the place. And when we first took over the space, we had to combine 4 spaces together. So we have 2 total like major corridors that connect the spaces. So this used to be like a hedge wall over here, and you can still see some of the decoration. We actually have this art display that was built, and these are representing individual ink blots coming off of a print head. And then, yeah, we have our main production facility. So in September, we were just starting to gear up for our Christmas season. So we're only running 2 shifts at the time, but we were starting to plan to open up our 3rd shift, which typically runs from late October, November, December, and into January. And yeah, and you can kind of see, I mean, over here was all of our inventory control. We had another corridor there where you can see the ink droplets simulation there. So over the past 10 months, you know, our teams, we only have a small team of people restoring equipment, trying to restore equipment, but you know, a lot of it is kind of a futile in effort, just because, you know, the water, when I came in on the day of, you know, the water was probably in here, probably about 3 or 4 inches. So it was like right below my ankle. And yeah, it was crazy on how much stuff, like huge pieces of equipment, just toppled over. You know, like air compressors, stuff like that. It was tough to kind of fathom. I was able to get in here, and then so when I got up to the dock, the water was still like right up, almost on the loading dock here. But then what we did is that there was a trash can, a dumpster, that floated from across the parking lot, somehow got in here, which, I mean, if the water was this high, I guess it makes sense, this door, and I was able to kind of crawl underneath it. All of these doors over here got bent in because debris in the entire facility was floating inside. So, you know, other like scissor lifts were toppled over on the side. So you're talking about something that's 3,000 pounds. You know, it's makes a big dent when it hits something. It's kind of hard to describe the magnitude of how powerful rushing water is. And this area used to be kind of our training center. Here, this is our photo studio, and so all the photos we took during like anything in catalogs or websites or anything, none of it was like digitally generated. It was all made here. Maybe 7 people here on a daily basis. And in terms of the rest of the equipment, you know, I mean, it's yeah, I mean, we're 10 plus months now, and you know, we're still trying, but it's definitely, yeah, I don't know if we do anything different, but it's definitely different now, thinking about that we're 10 months in and what's actually salvageable and what's not. So, you know, more likely after spending years on the facility, we'll definitely, definitely end up moving out pretty soon. So, and hopefully someone else can make good use of the space. So I think that's the biggest thing.
My name is Madison Lake. I'm from Asheville, North Carolina. I'm the CEO and founder of Epic Print. And there's only one place I can see Epic Print being in the future, and that is truly being the best print-on-demand software provider and manufacturer, hopefully in the world. And I hope that our, as we call it, our walls of wisdom with inspirational quotes pays off.